Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. As you can tell by the title of this video is going to be about what is the best stock brokerages that you can use in 2021. Starting the new year, I know we all want to get off to a better start than we did in 2020. For my beginner traders and investors, you might be wondering, what even is a stock brokerage? It is an individual or firm that executes buy and sell orders for investors for a fee or commission. Well, not exactly. See, most brokerages these days, and popular ones anyways, are doing commission-free trading, where it allows traders like you and I to make trades in any stocks without a fee. We can make as many trades as we want without having to pay a 20-cent fee or a 30-cent fee or a 10-cent fee every time that you buy and sell a stock or commodity or whatever the case is. Now that you understand what a brokerage is, let's look at the options that you may have when choosing a broker. If you were to Google, what is the best stock brokerage? You would be flooded with so many different options that you could have when opening an account with a brokerage. There's so many to choose from, and I know it can be confusing, and I know it can be frustrating when you're just looking through and you don't know anything of what you're trying to look for and they all look so similar. Well, that's what I'm here for. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, okay? You guys listening? They're all the same. I know. Crazy, right? They're all the same. Well, not exactly. There are some differences, but not very many. They all allow you to do the same things. They allow you to trade stocks. They allowed you to make commission-free trading. And if you aren't using a brokerage that allows you to trade commission-free in 2021, you just shouldn't be. You shouldn't be trading with someone that doesn't allow you to have commission-free trading when there's so many options that allow you to. The main thing that differentiate these trading brokerages though, at least the competitive ones, is going to be the interface and just user friendliness of the given app or website or whatever you decide to use. I mean, there are some extra things that different places or different companies offer when it comes to a brokerage, such as like options, foreign exchange, cryptocurrencies, extra stuff like that. But for the most part, they're all the same, and a lot of them do offer options. A lot of them do offer cryptocurrency trading. A lot of them do offer, stuff like that. But, what are we here for? We're here to find the best stock trading brokerage. With that being said, my two favorite stock brokerages are Robinhood and Webull. I have a trading account with both of them. I like both the brokerages a lot. I've used both of them a good amount. I've used Robinhood more than Webull, but truthfully, I love both of them. And I've had very few problems with both of them. These are also probably the most popular trading platforms at the moment. Here are some similarities. They both allow you to trade with zero commissions. They both allow you to trade stocks. They both allow you to trade options. They both offer cryptocurrency trading, and they both offer aftermarket and pre-market trading. And here are some key differences. Robinhood, in my opinion, has a more user-friendly and just easier to navigate interface. But Webull offers Forex trading, which I'm not really sure how it's worked. I've personally never done it, and I think that it's a little weird because generally you need leverage and different stuff like that. And there's maybe a way that they work that out. But generally, when you're trying to trade foreign exchange, you want to use a foreign exchange broker. But, Webull has it, Robinhood doesn't, so I guess that's a point to Webull. I've also noticed while being a part of both of these brokerages that Webull has had a few smaller stock companies that I'm looking for or that I were looking for in the past that Robinhood just didn't have. Maybe because they were smaller companies and kind of like penny stocks, and Robinhood is mainly dealing with most of the bigger companies and most important companies. But generally speaking, they both have about the same amount of companies and stocks to choose from. One of the main differences, besides the user interface and just overall better user friendliness of Robinhood, is that Webull has a better customer service. They have a phone number that you can call and you can talk to a real person and figure out what problem that you may have with your brokerage. With Robinhood, you only have email as an option, or just like FAQs, which is like frequently asked questions, which it works and it's pretty good, if for what it is. But I think we can all agree that talking on the phone to someone is just better. so that you don't have to wait for the emails and go back and forth and wait for them to get back to you and not knowing when. You can kind of resolve an issue right then and there. Bottom line, you can't go wrong with either of these stock brokerages. They both offer most of the same things. I showed you some of the few differences that they have that I've noticed, and I would probably give the edge to Webull. And I would give that slight edge to Webull simply because of the customer service, which is very important, and it gives you an option to trade Forex, even though it's not really that big of a deal. I probably would, whatever. It's a plus. But also, I personally like using Robinhood more. So even though I have to take the hit on the customer service, I feel like the interface and the user friendliness is just so much better that I would rather use them. But you can't go wrong with either one. I'm also going to leave a link in the description down below of a website called NerdWallet, who ranked the top 11 stock brokerages for 2020. And in this list, you have Robinhood and Webull featuring their top 11. But there's a lot more to choose from, such as TD Ameritrade and so many more that I can't even. So even if you don't want to choose Robinhood or Webull, that's okay. You can choose one of the other 9 stock brokerages out of the top 11. But I have a link in the description that will give you free stocks with Webull and free stocks with Robinhood if you choose one of those. I can't help you with the other ones, but I'm sure you can find somebody who has an affiliate link that will give you free stocks. I'm not sure how many of them offer that stuff, but I know there's different bonuses for different companies, so just check it out in the link in the below. Anyways, I hope I was not only able to explain what a brokerage is to you, but also help you make a decision on what you should choose when you're gonna start your brokerage account. This is a key point to your investing, career. Even though it's not the most important step, but it's the first step. And that may be the most important step, because if we don't get started, we'll never get through anything. Don't feel so pressured on which one you should choose and make it such a huge deal. You can try one out and just see how you like it. It's not like a contract where you're stuck in it and you can never get out, or you have to wait XYZ, or it's a huge fee or something. You can take your money out at any time and switch it to a different brokerage. And also, as you get more experience in the markets, you're going to find things that you like more, or that are more important to you, or little things that you want to have available in your brokerage that these brokerages just don't offer. And that's okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to anyone that you think might find this information useful, or could just use it and want to get started in investing or anything like that. Anyways, I'll see you guys next video. Have a great day.